Hey guys, welcome back. So let's start with this database handler class. First, extend the class with SQLite Open Helper. Okay, and implements its different method. Okay, and remove this error. Okay, this SQLite Open Helper class is used for managing database creation and its version management. We can use its override method on create and on upgrade. And the database is only created when we use get readable database and get writable database for reading and writing values to the database. So let's start. So now remove all these stuffs. We don't need this. We will make the use of this constant class which we have created here, and we will use its value, different values. Okay, so context super context name will be constants dot database name, factory will be null, and the version will be constants dot database version. Okay, so now in this on create method, let's go to create the database table. String create a table, create table constants dot table name plus it's a simple SQL query which we used in PHP plus constants dot kid plus it will be an integer value and primary key. Constants dot food name, it will be text plus constants dot calories, it will be integer value, and last one constant dot date added, it will be long value. Okay, and the last one db dot execute SQL create table. Now in this on upgrade method we will check whether the database is created or not. So db dot execute SQL drop table if exist plus constants dot table name. On create db. Let's create one method to insert the food to the database. Add food method. Okay, public void add food, and we will use the food class over here which we have created. Okay, to get the values of the food which we enter over here. Yeah, on the click of the submit button we will fetch this return value and we will send it to the database using this method. Okay, now SQLite database is equal to this dot get writable database. The get writable database used to write the values inside the database. Content values is equal to new content values. This content value is used to store the values into pairs. Values dot put it will use string value pair. Dot put constants dot food name comma food dot get food. Values dot put constant dot calories comma food dot get calories, and values dot put constant dot date and food dot get food date. Okay, so now database dot insert constant dot table name null and values. Okay, database dot close. Okay, so now let's insert this main method to submit the values and check whether the values are inserted into the database or not. Create one method to save data to the database. Private void save data to database. Okay, now let's send the instance of the food class to use its value to save data to the database. Food string name is equal to food name dot get text dot to string dot trim. Trim is used to trim the empty space from the input. Okay, now let's do same for the calories. Cal is equal to calories dot get text dot to string dot trim. Okay, so now convert this string calories to the integer, because calories will be in integer. Cal int is equal to integer dot parse int cal. Okay, now let's write if as condition to check whether the edit text is empty or not. Name dot if name dot equals empty and cal dot equals empty, then toast a message toast dot make test get application context, please enter some value, and toast dot length long dot show, else food dot set food name food dot set calories cal int. Okay, now let's declare the database handler class private database handler dba. Okay, now let's use over here to database handler dot add food, the add food method which we have created inside this database handler class. Yeah, okay. Add food dba dot close. Now empty the value of this edit text. Food name dot set text empty and calories dot set text. Let's toast this message. Toast dot make text get application context comma food plus calories plus cal int comma toast dot length long dot show. Now call this method inside the submit button and okay. So now let's run it. Okay, so now let's check food mango calories 30. Submit. Food mango calories 30. Okay, so we are getting the values. So now we have created the database method of saving the value and implemented inside the main method. So in the next video, instead of displaying this toast method, we will make the use of the intent to navigate it to the next screen and display the value inside the card view or list view. So see you guys in the next video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe Clueless Tech.